Wow, I really need to get home. Holy fuck, it's windy. Are you fucking kidding me? Get the fuck out the way.
Sorry, I was driving and I got freaked out. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to infiltrate your house.
Who's in, there's someone over there in the, oh shit, over there.
There is?
Yeah, there's another person that pulled over.
Shit. Okay.
You can come stand inside if you'd like. What's that? There's already someone in my basement. It's about an hour later, hour and a half later, and there's another one. Dude, fucking 3 storms in 2 days. Bus! I just blacked out for a second. I don't know what happened. Anyways, no hail damage here. Hopefully there's no strangers in my house this time. A man and a woman, 2 separate vehicles. Just in my house. The chick wasn't in my house. She was in the barn. And I told her that she could just come in the house. Because there was already a dude in there. Already a guy in there. I get home in the middle of fucking tornado-like conditions. And there's just a fucking dude in my basement. Hello? Hello? I'm in your basement. Like, yeah, dude. Get out. And then they stayed for like 20 minutes, half hour. It was pretty much sunny out by the time they left. All right, well, in classic Midwestern fashion, let me get a beer. I switched shoes and got a beer. Had to put my running shoes on just in case it gets a little too Western. It tastes like an EF5 to me. Yeah. I've been working on my evil laugh, and I don't think I'm making progress. This is a plastic mailbox. It shouldn't. I don't think lightning will. They do call me amp master at work, though. 20 amp breaker to the dome. Didn't do nothing to me. Bro, I hope this storm kills every fucking wasp out there. Okay, all right. Go inside. Gotta find a place to hide. Anybody down there? Anybody down there? Just walked in. Just walked in. Damn. Till one by one they were gone. Ragged base bugs in the software flash the message. Something's out there floating in the summer sky. 99 red balloons go by. Go by the way it is. Yep.
I will piss. I didn't know you were videoing.
I'm in Oklahoma on sand dunes.
99 red balloons falling in the summer sky. Counting bells, it's red alert. There's something here from somewhere else. The war machine, it springs to life. Opens up one eager eye. Focusing head on the sky. There's 99 red balloons go by.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's morning. I'm fucking hungover. We're going to ride. It rained. Dune should be hard. I've heard.
Super story. All the troops now in a hurry. This is what we were waiting for. This is it, boys. This is war. The president is on the line. It's 99. Red balloons go by.
Get lower. Get lower. Yeah, nice. That's real.
Heads up, you guys. It's day 3 in the dune. Not like that, you aren't. Turn it off. Turn the video off. Cut. 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 Hey, Phil Collins here with Dan and Eric. Hi guys, we're here in Winoka, Oklahoma. It's fucking raining. I don't advise going outside. Yeah, stay inside. That's all I got. Don't drive your cars. This weather is very dangerous. Weather like this can blow your car over. You really don't want that. Yeah, you pretty much covered it all. So, yeah, stay inside, guys. As you can see, if you look over here, we got some lightning. And, hey, it's gonna rain pretty soon. Just letting you guys know. Hey, we're on the weather fucking channel, man. Don't tell me you guys know. It's gonna rain pretty soon here. Security, get him out of here. Security, out of here. Hey guys, Phil's here. As you can see, we got some rain out here. Heavy winds.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
Oh my god. Oh my.
What's up, you guys? It's day 4. I feel like I've just been hungover this entire trip. Oh, she ain't going anywhere. 2022. I mean, a couple party buses here and there. Went and visited Wyatt. Crazy asshole got a tarantula. And the usual dirt bike shit. But I was mainly working on music. And I'm not done yet. I'm a lot closer than I was. So keep your eyes open. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.